Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one full question in which first we are going to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Then we are going to do the entry, then revaluation, and then capital, and then balance sheet. Okay, these are the full question. All the head we are going to maintain for that question. Okay, that question number 50. That question number 50 I am going to start. Question number 50 I am going to start. Okay, beta. First we are going for the first net new profit sharing ratio. Okay. Okay. Read the question.
A and B were the partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. On 1st April 2018, they admit C as a partner on the following terms.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Case 1, that C brings 1 lakh on his capital and 15 lakh for goodwill, half of which to be withdrawn by A and B.
1 lakh for his capital, 1 lakh for his capital, 50 for goodwill, and half of the goodwill withdrawal from the old partners. Okay, beta? Old partners. Okay? Clear? I'm just trying to put the question here only, by which they are easy to solve the question. Okay? Next. After that, new partner is coming. C for which ratio?
That the value of the land and building
That we are showing in revaluation account. Okay, next. Next in the same next topic.
and that of the stocks and machinery fixtures to be reduced by 7 and 5% respectively.
Okay, next. Where is given the ratio of C?
Ratio not given.
It's given. See the question. C admit for this amount 1/5 share, like that is given. Okay, beta?
That C is to be given 1/5 share.
Okay.
And
Now we are going to calculate first new profit sharing ratio. One is whole profit. Okay, beta? One is whole profit less 1/5, the share of new partners. Okay, beta? The share of new partner. We are going to less the share of new partner. 1/5. Okay, then 4/5. Okay, then we are going to calculate A share. A share 4/5 into 3/4. B share 4/5 into 1/4. Okay, then 12/20 and 4/20. Now set the ratio. 12/20, 4/20 and 1/5. The ratio of C. Then equal 4. Then 12/20, 4/20 and 4/20. It means 12:4:4, 3:1:1. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay? This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay? This is the new profit sharing ratio. Now we are going for the entry. Okay, beta? This is the way by which we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now we are going for the entry. Entry first, he is coming with the cash, capital and goodwill. Then cash account debit to C's capital and to goodwill. Okay, beta? 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Okay? Then we are going to distribute this goodwill in sacrificing ratio. Here no change is there. Then sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio. Okay, beta? Then goodwill account debit to A capital to B capital. Goodwill is 50,000. Okay? Just divide in 3:1. Just divide in 3:1. Okay? Then 37,500 and 12,500. This is the ratio of 3:1. Okay, beta? This is the ratio of 3:1. Clear? 3:1. It's clear, beta? I think you remember these entries. Remember or not? Remember, na? First cash account debit to C capital to goodwill. 1 lakh capital, 50,000 goodwill. Add 1,50,000. Then goodwill account debit to A capital to B capital divided in 3:1. And then he is saying withdraw the goodwill, half goodwill withdrawal. Then entry is A capital account debit, B capital account debit to cash. Half of the amount beta. 18,750, 6,250, 25,000. Okay, clear? This is the entry and this is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, beta? Entry and this is the new profit sharing ratio. Clear? Up to this is clear? Take the screenshot for remembering also. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Next, after this, we are going to make the what? Going to make the revaluation account. Two things is finished. New profit sharing ratio, entry, both are finished. Then we are going to make the revaluation account. Okay, beta? I am trying to make the revaluation account this side only. Okay, then you will easily see the entry. Okay, now going for the revaluation account. Okay, now start with the revaluation account. Okay, start with the first revaluation account. Assets, fixed assets. I think remember you all. Again, I am going to solve this question. So, fixed assets increase by 15%. It's given na beta. So that which side? Credit side by fixed assets 49,500 beta. 49,500. Then to stock. There is given stock reduced by 7% and machinery by 5%. So stock 1,80,000, 7 upon 100, 12,600, and same machinery 2 lakh into 5 upon 100, it means 10,000 beta. 10,000. Okay, clear? Then provision, they are saying new provision. In your question, all things is given beta. See the question. New provision. 2 lakh, debtor is 2 lakh, 5% are debtor. That amount is 10,000. Then unforeseen liability 11,000, 15,000. Unforeseen liability 15,000 or 11,000?
Unseen liability.
15,000. And then commission.
Which 11?
Commission 11,000 beta. Okay, clear? Then we are going to totally this side 60,500, 60,500. Then to profit. Then to profit. We are making the profit here. Profit and amount of profit is 12,900. Divide in two parts, A and B. Okay. Just divide this profit in two parts beta. Just divide here 12,900 into 3 upon 4, 12,900 into 1 upon 4. Okay, divide by this 3 times. Clear? 3 times. Then 2 times 1 remain, 2 times 2 remain 5. Clear? 3 times 12. 3 times 12. Okay, beta. Then 3 to 2. Okay, and here 9. Okay, 12, 9 and 800, 900. Okay, clear? Now we are going to make the capital account. It's very important. That same capital account which we are making in the first chapter, beta, same capital account we are going to make here, but some changes there. Some new item is coming in this capital account. Just see very carefully. I think you will remember about the capital account. How many partners is there? Number of column, same of number of partners. Okay. A, B, C. A, B and C. Okay. Now we are going to posting. First we are putting what? First we are going to posting by balance. By balance is what? It's capital. Okay. Just see in balance sheet. Capital of A and B. See in the balance sheet and tell me. Capital of A and B.
4 lakh and 2 lakh.
That 4 lakh and 2 lakhs, beta. Okay. And again see the first entry. See in your copy. First entry. Cash account debit to C capital 1 lakh. Okay. Right here. By C capital. Okay. By cash 1 lakh. Okay. Then see the second entry. Goodwill. Goodwill will distribute, beta. By goodwill. Transfer here. By goodwill 37,500 and 12,500. Okay. See the third entry. Withdrawal. Then to cash. Clear, beta? How I am posting is clear or not? Just see where cash capital is debit, then cash is debit. In goodwill, capital is credit, then goodwill is credit. Okay, beta? Clear na? Then cash that 18,750 and 6,250. Okay? These all we are posting by the whom? By the entry. After that entry, we are going for the revaluation account. What profit and loss is there? So by here, debit side, post on the credit side. By revaluation amount 9,675, 3,225. Okay. These all we are in utilizing by your own copy, our own question. Okay. Entry, by the entry we are doing this and this in posting. This from the capital, balance sheet. This from the revaluation. Okay. Next, see in balance sheet, any type of goodwill or profit and loss or workman compensation fund or reserve or investment fluctuating fund is given or not?
No.
That side, just see the debit side, liability side. What thing is there?
Capital accounts is only.
And next, nothing.
Nothing.
Liability side, asset side.
Nothing.
What thing is there? Assets.
Cash in hands.
Yes.
Book debits.
Okay.
Stock.
Yes.
Machinery fund. Fixtures. Land and buildings.
It means no any other information. Other information means we are distributing the goodwill. If they given in the question. Okay, beta. We are going to distribute the profit and loss if given, reserve if given, and invest fluctuating fund is given, then distribute. Or if they are given what? Workman compensation fund, that also we are going to distribute. You remember the capital account or not, beta? If not remember, then tell me again. I will again going to explain these things. Don't worry. Don't take attention out of that. Okay. First we are written in balance sheet. First we are going to return balance. Balance is what? His capital. Then by cash, by the first entry. Then by goodwill, by the second entry. Then to cash by the third entry. And then from the revaluation account, profit is there. Transfer here only. Okay, clear? Now going to total of this. This total 1 lakh, that side 25, 7, 5, 1, 2. 75 1 7 4 4 4 4 7 1 7 5 2 1 5 7 2 5 and 1 lakh. Take the balance to balance CD. Here using BD. Okay, beta. Let's take the difference. 25. Okay. 4. 1 remain. 9. 8. 7. 1 remain. 2. 2. 4 and 4. It's coming. Capital account 4,28,425. In answer, see in answer. Capital balance of A.
Yes.
Okay, then this to 1 lakh, beta. Clear 1 lakh here. 25, it means 75. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 7. Finished. We needed nothing. Okay, next 6 and 5, it means 9. 9, 6, 5, 1, 0, 2. 2,09,475. See, 2,09,475.
Yes.
Clear? Up to this was clear or not? Tell me, beta. Up to this is clear or not? Clear, na? Then I am going for the balance sheet. Okay. This capital I am not going to rub, only rub the revaluation. I think revaluation is very clear, so I am going to rub the revaluation only, and then try to balance, make the balance sheet by the roughing of this revaluation only. Okay, just see how to make the balance sheet. I think you will remember the balance sheet. Remember or not? In first year we are making beta balance sheet. Same balance sheet we are going to make here. Okay. When we are going to make this balance sheet, only see the old balance sheet which is giving the question. Okay, beta? Nothing else. Okay? Just start with the asset side. Just start with the asset side. Okay? Just start with the asset side. Okay, beta? Just start with the asset side. Just see. First assets is what? Cash. First assets is cash, and value of cash is 25,000.
40,000.
40,000. Okay, and just see the first entry, cash account debit to C capital to goodwill, 1,50,000. You are receiving that cash. Add that cash here, 1,50,000. Go for the last entry. In last entry, A capital B capital to cash, 25,000. It means withdrawal. So less that cash from here. What cash you are receiving, that will add, and what cash you are going to withdraw, that will less from here. Okay, beta? Then difference amount is 1,65,000. Okay? See, just take the full help of your balance sheet, old balance sheet, and see the question, what type of changing is coming in the assets. On the way, this base, you are going to just change in the assets. Cash 40,000, 1,50,000 coming cash, and 20,000 going from the business. So 1,50,000 add and 25,000 less. Okay, beta? Next assets.
Book debits.
Debtors.
Debits.
Book debtors, debtors. That is 2 lakh. Okay, beta? Then less 10,000 provision. Less 10,000 provision. That difference amount is 1,90,000. In revaluation, see in the revaluation, beta, 10,000 we are making the provision. Okay, 10,000 you are going to making the provision, that amount will less from that debtors. Okay, next is
stock.
Stock, and stock value is 1,80,000 less depreciate 12,600. Now beta, remember or not? In revaluation, see in the revaluation. Okay beta, what amount is coming? 400,761. Okay, then next, machinery 2 lakh and less depreciate again 10,000, 5% na beta. Then what amount is coming? 1,90,000. Okay, next
Is land and building.
land and building 3,30,000 na beta.
Yes.
Add appreciation amount is 49,500. It means 500 973. Okay, and then one income commission 11,000. Okay beta, the total of this. Okay, clear or not? It's clear na beta. Now we are going to take the total. Just see 009 0 and then 9. Okay, then 5 and 7 12 13 and 9 22. So 2 is remain 8 9 17 6 23 and 7 30 39 40. Okay, 40 0 4 5 6 7 8 and 3 11. It's coming 1,10,209.
Yes.
11 lakh
Yes.
2,900.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going for the liability side, and in liability side first we are going to show the capital, and this capital we are showing on balance sheet beta. This capital we are going to show in balance sheet. This capital, just show capital A, B and C 428,425 209 475 and 1 lakh. Okay beta, the total 009 7 3 7. Okay, next, anything else is given? No, that just remember one liability, unforeseen liability in revaluation account beta. You are showing now 15,000. Okay, unforeseen liability. It's 1 lakh. It's 2 lakh, na? Check the answer.
Yes, 2 lakh.
It's a
2,09,400.
okay. It's a 4 lakh.
Yes. 4 lakh.
Okay, confirm.
Yes.
And this 1 lakh. But just give me the book.
It's 1 lakh.
Some liability is there, sure and certain. You are not given the liabilities.
Sorry.
Current liability is given, na? Sundry creditors. Upside is given or not?
Given, sir.
Then amount, sundry creditors amount. Tell me the amount.
3,50,000.
3,50,000, na? Now it's coming. Actually, you are not filling this question. So difference is coming. 2, 0 and 8. Okay, beta. On this way, we are going to solve the full question. This is the full question. Okay, beta. This is called full question. First you are going to make new profit sharing ratio or calculate new profit sharing ratio, then revaluation account, then capital account, then balance sheet. Okay beta, clear how to make the balance sheet? Only take the help of your balance sheet beta, old balance sheet, nothing else, and seeing with the revaluation whatever changes coming the revaluation, and just put all the things, then you are easily getting the answer. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you.